So we're back for another cheese sauce recipe. We have already done like a nacho cheese sauce, we've done the macaroni and cheese sauce, we've done an enchilada sauce. Now we're going to take that same cashew base and we're going to make a fettuccine Alfredo. Okay, so just like with the other two recipes, we started out with a cup of cashews and just a little bit more water than the cashews in there so that you can blend it up well. Again, if you don't have a Vitamix, soak your cashews for like 2 hours to 2 to 4 hours maybe, because you want this to come out very creamy, otherwise it won't, and it's happened to me before. Okay, so with this cashew base that we've done with the last couple of videos, I'm going to show you how we're going to tweak this for the fettuccine Alfredo sauce. So what's the same? We're going to use our Nutritional yeast flakes that we've been using. We're going to use the same amount. We're going to use our 3 tablespoons. So we have our 1 cup of raw cashews. Make sure you... What, baby? Oh, it's broken? Oh, no. And we're going to use our 3 tablespoons of nutrition. It's broken? It's okay, Mama. We're going to use our lemon, a half a lemon. It's about 2 to 3 tablespoons because I'm not using the whole thing. Yes, baby. Yeah, it's broken. Okay, give it to Manny. Now, in the other recipes, we use onion powder. This is garlic powder, but we use onion powder. For this recipe, what I like to do is saute some onions, caramelize them, make them a little bit sweet. So for this variation, that's what I'm going to use instead of the tablespoon of onion powder. But I'm going to also add some garlic powder to this. The other ones didn't have any garlic. I'm just going to add a little bit. I don't know, that might be a 1/4 teaspoon or something. Just add to taste. And we definitely need the sauce. The salt. Remember, cheese, it's a little tangy. That's why you put the lemon. It's a little salty. So that's why you have to have the salt. So I'm using a full tablespoon of salt. You have to. Because if you want it to be cheesy, I mean, you can have it not be so cheesy. All right, and then I'm gonna blend that up. Alrighty. And now I'm gonna pour that. I'm gonna pour that in my pot here. All right, I like to add some more water and get all that cheesy yummy out. Blend that. Okay. You can see, because we're almost done with this recipe. This one is really quick because it just is a little bit. All right, I'm going to add some parsley to this. Maybe that's like a half a teaspoon or something. And I'm going to add some basil. I really like to add fresh basil, but this is cool too. Just put what you have. You can put Italian seasoning, you can put whatever in there. I also like to flavor this one with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to put that in there. Give it a little bit of more flavor, creaminess. That wasn't very much. I don't even know if that was a tablespoon, maybe it was. And then, I'm just gonna stir that up. I think I need a little bit more water. Okay, so just like all the other cheese sauces, it's starting out like super runny, right? All right, guys, I'm gonna start a video real quick, so just give me 2 minutes of silence. Okay? Thank you. Quiet, Manny, for just 2 minutes. Quiet for 2 minutes. Thank you. All right, and just like that, this Alfredo sauce is done. Let me show you what that looks like. And just layer it on there. This is Tinkyata gluten-free brown rice noodles. Love them. What's up, Mama? Delicious. Want that to look cute? Here. That should make it look cute, right? That's what people do. Add green stuff to it. Enjoy!